Why flexibility matters.
Flexibility is key for a healthy, pain-free body. Improving your flexibility can help you move more easily, reduce injury risk, and support better posture. No matter your current level, a gradual, structured approach can help you make real progress safely and sustainably. Let's explore the 4 simple phases that can help transform stiff muscles into supple movement.
Phase 1. Assess and prepare.
Start by checking your current flexibility. Identify tight muscles and any movement limitations during daily activities. Warm up with light aerobic exercise before stretching. This boosts blood flow and prepares your muscles and joints for safe movement. Consistency is more important than intensity. Gentle, regular practice lays the groundwork for lasting improvements.
Phase 2. Foundational stretching.
Static stretching is your starting point. Slowly stretch major muscle groups and hold each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Focus on your breathing and avoid bouncing or forcing the stretch. Repeat each stretch 2 to 4 times per session, aiming for at least 2 sessions per week. Gradually, your range of motion will begin to improve.
Phase 3. Dynamic flexibility.
Once basic flexibility improves, add dynamic stretching like leg swings, arm circles, and gentle yoga flows. These movements help boost flexibility while training your muscles to move through a full range of motion. Incorporate dynamic stretches after warming up or as part of your regular fitness routine to further enhance your progress.
Phase 4. Advanced mobility and maintenance.
To maintain and advance flexibility, include exercises like deep lunges, PNF stretching, or Pilates-based routines. Prioritize flexibility work at least 3 times per week. Stay mindful of proper technique and avoid overstretching. Listen to your body, stay patient, and celebrate your progress as flexibility turns from a weakness into a lifelong strength.
Your personalized flexibility path.
Improving flexibility requires time, consistency, and care. Move through each phase at your own pace. Monitor your progress, adjust your routine as needed, and pair flexibility exercises with overall strength and mobility work. With dedication, anyone can progress from stiffness to a more supple, resilient body. Begin your journey today and feel the difference.